Mahigit 200 researchers, estudyante, guro, linguist at language experts mula sa Pilipinas at iba't ibang bansa ang dumalo sa ika-7 Linguistic Society of the Philippines International Conference 2025 na ginanap sa Season Auditorium, Lingayen, Pangasinan.
Based on the experiments and studies conducted, they can conclude and make necessary recommendations just to uplift or improve our language proficiency, most especially in our second language, which is the English language.
We should not discriminate between those different varieties. We should try to develop unified approaches, unified language to describe those varieties, not relegate them to different ways of thinking. If you have different language that you use to describe them, that is a form of discrimination.
Samantala, napag-alaman sa ilang pag-aaral na nagiging instrumento o mano ang mga dialekto sa pagbuo at pagkalat ng fake news at ang irregularidad sa paggamit ng artificial intelligence.